Okay guys, so Auxito LED asked me to make a proper review video of these LED replacement bulbs that are made to fit in a housing that took a halogen headlamp. So I did install some of these a couple months ago on my 97 F250 HD old body style Ford pickup. They just said, here's these, check them out, review them, tell your viewers what you think. So I did. I will never lie to you guys about what I think about a product. If somebody sends me something for free and it's total junk, I will let you know. But I gotta say, after driving for a couple months, I definitely like these. I think replacement bulbs really got a bad rap when all those HID bulb replacements were coming out. And they get a bad rap because people put them into a housing that doesn't have the proper reflectors, and then they basically blind the crap out of everybody else on the road. If you have a bulb that's designed to go into a halogen housing like these are, they make a beam and stuff basically in the same way that the halogens do, but better. You're not blinding the crap out of other drivers. You're not scattering light all over the place in a way that doesn't make sense. So keep that in mind. There was just a discussion I was a part of on the forums the other day, on Ford truck forums, about this exact thing actually. I like it. It lights up reflectors, road signs, and all that stuff so much better than the old halogen bulbs. It's a lot more intense, bright white beam. And yeah, I like it. 2 thumbs up, man. I hope to work with these guys in the future. There will be an affiliate link below in the description, so you guys can get 15% off if you click and follow that link. It'll also help out the channel. So here we go. Here is the previous footage from me installing them, and hopefully we can work with these guys in the future. Thanks for watching. Auxito LED sent me these LED lights, which are a drop-in replacement for like a 9007 bulb. 9007 HB5, that's what this truck has in it. And so we are going to give these a fair shake by polishing up and coating these headlights before we put them in, and doing a before and after, because as you can see, the headlights are a little faded. So going to get these guys all cleaned up and clear coated with a ceramic coat kit that I bought. We'll bring you back when that's done, and we'll pull it in the dark in the storage unit and show you these bulbs, show you the other bulbs. And after. Ooh, shiny. Not perfect, not brand new, but pretty good for 20 years old. Okay, me and Roni are here at our top secret testing facility. Roni's gonna be the headlight man for me. Here is stock headlights.
Whoa, it's green.
Actually, not that bad.
Is that one more full back?
Nope, but you can kick the brights on. Okay, there's brights. Let me see what it looks like through here. Okay, see the color and everything. That's high beams. Okay, I'll show you the easy one. They give you some nice little gloves with the kit that do not fit my American sized hands. That's okay, we know what we're doing, right, Roni? We're professional. So this is the easy one. I just moved this washer tank out of the way real quick. So you're gonna tug gently on this plug-in right there, and then reach down, see if I can get a view of it. Undo this collar right here by turning it counterclockwise, pull it out, and then grab the back of the bulb and wiggle and pull that out. Now that's a halogen bulb, and I'm thinking that's probably why they give you the gloves, because if you touch halogen bulbs, you get the oil from your fingers on them, and it'll make them actually burn out prematurely. Now these LEDs, I don't think that happens, but we're just not going to be a meathead, and we're only going to touch them on the plug end right here. So pretty cool kit, nice case. I already pre-tested this to make sure it would fit before I cleaned up the headlights and clear coated them, because if these wouldn't fit in here for some reason, I was gonna put them in my Mustang. So now this guy just goes in there in the same place. And then the collar, you probably can't see that, but the collar goes back on there just the way it did on the stock one, and then you just plug it in. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy?
Lemon squeezy. Actually, the other side is not too bad. I can get my big ol' mitts in there. Oh, I have?
It's 1,000 degrees. I'm sweating to death and I can see sweat dripping down the side of his face.
So the tab where the wire connector clips on always faces up. These three little tangs always go to the inside, and you usually have to rotate it a bit for it to kind of find its home, like so, and then push in and rotate till it stops. Bada bing, bada boom. It's just that easy. Big thanks to Auxito LED. I don't know if you can hear that. They make a noise. That's weird. There's a little fan on them, probably for cooling. So let's close the door and take a look. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's definitely a more pure white, bright light.
I want to kick the butt.
Okay, kick the brights on. Okay, lows. Nice. Go ahead and put the brights on. So there you go. Like I said, I kind of restored the headlights because I wanted to give these a fair shake. I didn't want to compare them through yellowed lenses. It's definitely a brighter white, more pure white beam instead of yellow. Big thanks to Auxito LED.